Hey, what's going on? Strolling with me. I'm Todd, and I have the boy with me right there. We are on the White Blaze Trail. This is part 2 of our little walk and talk. We were on a Teal Blaze Trail. I think it was the Triangle Trail first. Then we jumped on the Rectangle Trail. Came out from the woods up by the electrical towers and the observation deck. Took a break. Now we're on the White Blaze Trail. Sorry about that. Now we're on the White Blaze Trail, and we're going to head back to the car. So we figured we'd bring you along for the journey because the White Blaze Trail is sort of long. But I believe what we're going to do is, I'm fighting with him because he's trying to get in the weeds. Trying to eat stuff in the weeds. So what we're going to do is walk down the White Blaze Trail here and take another trail. Probably cut down through the woods and then jump back on the White Blaze Trail. Not sure about how long it will be. It'll probably be a somewhat long video also. But quit gabbing and I'll let you take a look at the scenery here. Too long of an intro. I apologize. Very peaceful. Very, very nice. Another posted sign. Nope, that's not the trail we're going on, bud. So if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. And if you have subscribed, I want to thank you very much. Truly, truly means a lot. I think we're going to catch this Red Blaze Trail on down to the White Blaze. There's the marker there. We're going to sort of cut through here. We've been seeing these signs around the woods. They're having some type of a like a race or something up through here. So this is the Red Blaze Triangle Trail. Like I said in my last video, it's important to know what trails you're on or the woods because they can change frequently and the shapes may also change. So when I first started hiking, I was not aware of that, but the shapes change. Really didn't know too much about the place marks. Now, we've gotten misplaced quite a few times, but nothing that it was too. We weren't lost for days or misplaced for days or whatever. It was just for a little while until we figured out. Oh, okay, here we are. I've not seen any deer yet today. I love that when I see the moss like that and then the flowers and weeds and stuff coming out of the middle. There's a few trees in here that have ferns and stuff out the middle. It's so beautiful. If you're a nature lover, hit that subscribe button. See, here's Another thing is there's a blaze mark there. Hold on, bub. A red blaze there, and that looks like a purple rectangle, or it was white at one time and then they painted it purple. You have to really watch out for things like that. I'm not sure what that might be, like telling you that you're going to be going to the white blaze and it just sort of faded. Not really sure. I don't see any more like that. I know sometimes they'll have like a white mark saying like, hey, or there'll be another color mark like a blue mark, or maybe an orange and a red stating, hey, you're getting closer to this other trail. He is living his best. He's living his best life. And I'm trying to live mine. May not be perfect, but we have to take every day for what it is. Be happy that we get to wake up in the morning time and enjoy the day. That's a purple blaze there, so on that tree up there and a red blaze. There's the purple blaze right there. So that will go that way. Maybe sometime we'll do that. Maybe sometimes we'll take the purple blaze. See, I don't see the purple blaze on this side. So sometimes it will only be, it won't go from that side to this side. It will just go one way. Here, we're going up this way. I guess somebody wants to take a break, so I'm gonna let him take a break. Still in the red blaze, heading up the red triangle blaze. Now I go in the red blaze a lot on the other side, so this is a totally different section of the woods than what we usually go on the red blaze. When we do that other long morning walk, this is on a whole different section. So I don't believe it. I don't know if it connects or not. It might connect. I'm not 100% sure. I don't believe it does. It might connect out at the other part of the observation deck, but another day for another time. We just came up from way down that way. Oh, there was a leaf that just fell there, and I was trying to figure out what it was. I seen something in the corner of my eye, and it was real small, like a chipmunk, and it had the colors of it like a chipmunk, and I thought it was a chipmunk. It was a leaf. Hold on. Pretty cool, funky looking tree. I like when they curve and they have all the different curves and stuff like that in them. Makes them look more unique. Although all trees are unique because they have different characters and stuff. Some of them do look the same, but there's a lot that have different characters. So this trail here is not too exciting, but you never know what you'll see. We've seen some pretty cool stuff on these flat trails and stuff. Just like that, we are at the benches. That's where the red blaze goes up that way with the oh no, that's the white blaze. That's the, letting you know there's a red blaze right here. Sometimes they'll have two marks, letting you know it curves off to one sign. I've seen them before. It looks like there's two marks there, but maybe someone missed painting it. But anyways, nice place to sit and relax. It's a little bit warm here. It's a little bit cooler back in there with the shade. But we're going to head down this way. We just sort of a loop. Came in up top over there, went down up this trail and then back around. And the reason why I did that is because when we came out of the other section of the woods, it was full blast sun, and going down the one trail, it's all like real loose stones and stuff. It's all open, and the sun was cooking. And I know he don't like the heat too much. And it's a little bit cooler and shadier in here, where he can stop and take multiple breaks if he has to. And same with me. See, this trail here is the white blaze. I'll show you in a minute. Is the white blaze rectangle. That, as you can see right there, is the white blaze triangle. So you have to be very careful of the shapes. And then right here is the white blaze rectangle. Come on. Very nice. Lots and lots and lots of ferns. Very, very beautiful. Very green. Very luscious. The whole time we've been out here, we've seen one person, actually two people. There was one person that just walked by us, and I've seen one person that was at the other observation deck. So two people. And squirrels jumping around sound like deer walking through the woods. I heard a whole bunch of people way up here hooting and hollering. So, not sure if we'll pass them or not, but let's continue to look for some deer. We usually see deer up here all the time. Not today. Not today. There's a nice rock to sit on and relax. I enjoy coming up here and listening to the quietness of nature and just clearing my head out. But we're slowly getting closer to the other people that's being loud. And that's their right. I just enjoy the quietness of it. There's another bench up here that you can sit and take a break on. This White Blaze Trail is pretty nice because it's flat for the most part till it gets to a certain point. But there's benches and stuff like that that you can sit on and relax. Got a Purple Blaze Trail there. Have a post that fell down. That purple blaze is the rectangle. So that junction goes this way and across. Alright. There's a big crowd of kids. Bunch of little kids hooting and hollering, having fun in the woods. It's nice to stop too and just take a look at the little things in life, like the rotted tree there. Probably a chipmunk in there, or a snake, or something lives in there, and maybe not. Maybe nothing lives in there. Good place for an animal, small animal, to take shelter during a storm. You get out of the rain or the wind or whatever. Have some more ferns on this side here. Here, bud. Very cool, very cool. Yeah, this part here is not too ferny. There's some ferns in here, but I know some of the other trails that are in this section of the woods are loaded with ferns. But this section here is not one of them sections. There may be a couple spots that have a lot of ferns. He's just taking his old sweet old time and letting him go at his pace. When we get up near the end of this trail, then we're gonna stop and take a little bit of a longer break, because we have to go across the parking lot to get to the car, because we parked on the other side of the parking lot. I didn't think I'd be going on this side. I went in on the other side. If you watched the part one, I went in on the other side. Here's some more ferns. There's a little patch of them there. And we went on the Teal Blaze Trail. I think it was the rectangle trail, and then or it was a triangle trail or something, or it was I can't even remember now. But anyways, we went on one of them trails, and then it led to the other trail. And then we just sort of followed that around, then it led us to the top of the one observation deck. Either way, we'll have fun, and we'll see if we see any animals. The other day we were in here, I smelled a skunk for a little bit. Didn't see one, but you could smell it. This trail here is, that trail there, where that tree is the Purple Blaze has the orange flag hanging off. They're doing a little like marathon race or something up here coming up soon. I forget exactly when it is. But this is a nice trail for like older people to walk down so far. It's has these small crushed stones. It's flat, it's soft to walk on. There's not too many rocks sticking up. There may be a few here and there, so you have to watch your footing a little bit. But the most part it's flat like this. Till you get up to where we were, where that Red Blaze meets. Then I think it starts getting a little bit rocky and a little more crazier. Right, I think we're going to stop here and get him some water and take a break right here, because we're almost at the end of the trail. All right. I think the sun went in, so that's a little bit of a plus for us till we get out to the parking lot, and the sun will come blasting back out. But it's all good. There's a very, very nice breeze right now. Very nice breeze. There's a bird and squirrel watching little station. Sometimes we'll go down that way too. But just ahead is the end of the trail here. I see more cars coming in down that way. We parked way over there. We went in this section of the woods over that way there, and we came out way up past that tower up there. There's, I think, probably about where that tower is, or up around there, is where we came out. Then there's this tower here, but there's another tower way out past there. So, and then there's another observation deck over that way. I don't know if you can really see it or not. There's a race coming here soon. If I can get this to work right. Yep, June 27th, from 7 to 4. But we're going to head down this way a little bit, and then we're going to head home. But I think we're going to end the video here. Here comes a big truck in here. But I want to thank you for joining us. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. We will catch you in the next one, my friend. Remember to treat yourself and others with kindness. Have a great day.